Okay, so I'm currently 23 years old and have some money to invest and have been struggling to come up with a new business that will bring me more income. Am I better off just going into crypto fully? I have around $15,000. Okay, wow. Okay, yeah, let's take a step back to kind of think this through. So basically, you're young, you have some money, you're looking. Okay, so going here, you have been struggling to come up with a new business that will bring you more income than crypto, right? So basically, you're young, maybe in college or just finished college. You have some money on the side. You're thinking, I've been trying to do a business. It's not working out. Should I just invest it in crypto? I mean, that's a interesting perspective, but you're very young. So, I mean, I wouldn't risk everything. Uh, but I mean, I think learn about crypto. Obviously, you're watching this show, so you're already a step ahead. Uh, Dabble in crypto, but don't risk everything. Don't put everything all into crypto. Even though you're young and you could possibly make it back, I think be patient with it, but have a strategy. Um, so have a but I would hedge. So I think I would put some money in crypto. Maybe you're trading crypto, whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, or whatever, or DeFi. Because if you take 15K and just put like 10% into crypto, you could turn that into a lot of money if you're doing the right things. Obviously, if you have the right research, or the right network, or the right people around you, that is possible. But I would not put everything in crypto. So when I got into crypto, even though I had money, the first thing I did was buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I only put in what I was willing to lose. So that was $100 in Bitcoin, $100 in Ethereum. Then I went out there, learned more about the space over about 2.5 months, read books on digital gold, the age of cryptocurrency. Those books kind of made me a lot more confident in the space. Then I scaled up because at that point I had made some money, or in a way I hadn't lost any money. So I then kind of doubled down and put it in 2,500 into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then that kind of took off, right? So basically, what I'm saying is dollar cost average in and scale up as you have more success. So if you have 15K, how much of that are you willing to lose, right? Let's say it's just $100. Then put that in crypto. And if and as you get more success, then scale up, right? So I think this is something Bill mentioned a while back. You have to earn the right to take profit, something like that, Bill?
You have to earn the right to take risk.
To take risk. Okay. Yeah.
Right. So, in other words, you build bigger positions as the position you have starts doing well. Right. So, in this kind of a case, the best investment you can make in this environment is food, water, shelter, transportation, and safety. Okay. So make sure you got that handled. Don't go full cowboy like there are no problems in the world, right? That's
Yeah.
a little bit of a different answer versus, say, 2 years ago. Okay. Now, once that's straightened out, if you want to put 10% in, okay, why don't you watch how it moves? There's only one way to know about crypto. That's to experience $1,000 going to 850 and then going to 1,400 and then going to 950 and then going to 1,200, right? That's how that's how your P&L is going to move in 5 and 10% increments. And then you can decide. It's like, okay, am I winning? Is this a good investment? I need some help with token metrics. We hope that's what we hope you go that route. Let us help you. Okay. But the thing is, can you stomach it? Everyone goes, oh my God, crypto can go up so much. Yeah. But can you deal with it day in, day out? If you can, right, you'll know. And then you won't need to ask anybody, should you do more? You'll have, winning investments, and then you can just slowly put more in. But don't go full casino and push out all the chips. Don't do it.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, to also kind of add to that, so you mentioned that you've been trying to come up with a new business that's not working. I would say maybe try a different business or just take something that's very simple that you do very well. So whatever skill you have, try to monetize that. So I feel like if you're doing something of value, that could be the business. Now, you're young, so maybe you're still kind of just learning about or just trying to learn a new skill, but sometimes it takes time. But one of the best ways or the best hacks to break into any venture, any space, any industry is to just uh, find the right people and volunteer to work with them for free or intern with them for free. Right. So, I mean, I kind of shared a story in the past. I had a hobby of basically filming video, right? Began as a travel vlog. Then I wanted to form a video production company, but I was basically nobody. So I just volunteered one day to film. These were fashion shows and pageants in DC for free. People liked it. I mean, I was not the best out there, but I was free, right? And I had a very nice camera. So, long story short, after doing that for about 6 to 9 months, I was getting better. I was basically just learning. But I began to build up a nice portfolio. Like people invited me. I became the official videographer for Miss DC, and she would invite me to events with the Redskins, with the Wizards, right? So kind of like the who's who in DC, like the DC socially, like all the athletes and the fundraisers with the NFL. So I began to put all that in my portfolio, and after a year, I could begin charging people for it, right? So I would say play the long game, right? So if, for example, if you're a trader, maybe find a good trader in your city and hey, volunteer to help him out, right? Something like that. So that's kind of my take. If anybody else has any other comments in our crypto family that they want to share, post down in the comments below.